So here we are again, and today we have a product. It's not very new, but it's new. TINHIFI ELF C0. The reason I bought this is because it's an open back earphones made of metals. So I got the 3.5 with the mic version, and let's open it up. So while I'm opening it, I want to mention why I bought it. Because it's an open back one and it's made of metal, so quality wise it should be okay, and I like the form of it, and open back should give you a very interesting sound. So if you like this open airy sound, you should get it too. I think for the price it's well worth it. And here it is. So instructions and the nice bullet type pair. No pins here, just the direct connection. I like it like this because you don't change the cable anyway in my case. And you got a ear tips package, and the cable is pretty thin. Medium hardness to this wire should be okay. I like this strap of TINHIFI as usual. Let's take them out. So let's take a closer look. So a little bit of close-up on the earphones. We can see that it's got the open mesh back. It's pretty dense, so it shouldn't be problems with dust or anything. You can see the filter here is made of metal, and the ear tips are looking pretty soft and grippy, so it should be very convenient, not irritating 2-pin connector. So the color is bronze-like, and the ear tips are some kind of smoke color. So, and you got this nice right and left, so ergonomically it looks very good. I hope it won't be too cold on my ears, this metal. The microphone is really average, nothing special here. And you got this nice Velcro strap, which I really like in this TINHIFI product. And the pin is 3.5, pretty slim, so it won't be any problem if you have a case. But I think you will use, of course, a USB-C DAC anyway. So I'll take a listening of a day or two, and I'll let you know how they are. And so I'm back. So I've been listening to those earphones for a week right now through the fiio KA1 dongle, and they are good match, also in color. As to constructions, they are very good. The metal casing, the wire is not too hard, not too soft. They are very comfortable due to the ear tip options, and you can hear it for long sessions, no problem. The strap here is very convenient. The microphone is okay, I guess. I didn't try it too much. That's all for the construction. So let's talk about the sound. Those are very nice sounding earphones. It's not your average typical earphones. They have their uniqueness, they have the character, but they are very good for their price, and I think for how much they cost, they bring a new experience of listening, and it's well worth it. So let's talk about what I heard. So the highs are accurate, they're airy, they're metallic due to construction, I guess, and it's very good. It's very enjoyable. The vocals, the mids are in the right place. You know, it's not too high, it's not too low. A little bit forward, nothing harsh. Also in the highs, nothing harsh there. The bass is subtle. It does perform okay in slow bass situations, you know, when you don't have a lot of BPMs, and sharp bass is also okay in the higher frequencies, like a drum hit. But when it gets, especially in mainstream music, when the bass become faster and lower, it sometimes have a problem to cope. Uh, without the dongle, it's less noticeable because the highs are not performing so well. With the dongle, you get a good highs, and then the bass loses power against it. Overall, I did enjoy this earphones, especially in some soul, Newsoul, blues songs, 70s. Also, electronic music is sound interesting in this. It doesn't have the much bass, but it does has some character in the highs and the mids, and you can hear some sounds that you don't hear in other cases, in other earphones. Let's see what I heard. So this is an old soul, Spooky by Dusty Springfield. Very nice in the highs, very interesting sounds. Bee Gees, it's classic and sounds pretty good with the highs, with the vocals on it. I didn't know this artist, Angie Stone. Also signed very nice. Those are all things 70s songs. Sade sound pretty average on those, but nevertheless it was okay. Stevie Wonder, Superstition sounds wonderful on those earphones, especially the opening intro sound is very good. Newsoul is amazing on those, On and On by Erykah Badu. Really enjoyable. You still hear the bass is okay in this song. The RH Factor, Crazy Race also shines. What else? Chemical Brothers perform okay on those earphones. Very interesting, very nice. Toto Hold the Line air guitars are wonderful on those earphones. For that experience only, I would buy them, you know, for their price. It's really good value and quality, amazing. Toto Hold the Line, Dire Straits, okay. Even rock, Guns N' Roses, Paradise City's vocals are excellent, drums are sharp and accurate, details but not too strong. All metallic sound is very good on those. What else? The Flapper was okay. This is a very hard song, Supersonic. There are a lot of load of sounds. But it was good there. It's a good metallic guitar was fine, vocals right on the balance, and it almost reached their capacity of Too Busy a song, but they did manage, and I did enjoy this song. Rock, it's okay, definitely can handle it. What else? Weekend was pretty okay. The airiness of this earphones did manage to bring it to life, you know. Daft Punk also was okay. Yes, so I really enjoy Safe and Sound by Capital Cities. So this was my impression of the TINHIFI earphones. I really enjoy them. I'm intending to keep them. If you like to add your arsenal a little bit more new sound, let's say, this is a good idea. And they are cheap and they are compact, and you don't have to mess all the wires and everything. Everything is connected. So this is a good pair. I'll keep this one. And I'll see you next time. Tell me what you think in the comments, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.